Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today the recipe is Kothu parotta. This is very famous one in India and Sri Lanka. Let's start the recipe. Now heat a pan and add 3 teaspoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Adding 1 big size chopped onion. Add some salt. Mix it well. Once the onion color changes, add green chilli and 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Stir it well until the raw smell goes out. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder and 1 teaspoon garamasala and 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Add 2 chopped tomatoes. Stir it well. Now, when you get this consistency, add half cup of water. Boil it for few minutes. At this range, I have taken 4 eggs for 5 parattas, adding them one by one. Mix it well. Once the eggs are cooked like this, add chopped paratha pieces. Mix well. Add some curry leaves. Mix it well like this. Now the tastiest Kothu parotta is ready. Please subscribe and click the bell button. Thanks for watching.